What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video, I have a super common issue that goes on with E9X cars and actually just BMWs in general, the sticky door handle pull. So we're going to be fixing that today. It's been like 3 years I've had the E90 and it's had this problem and I'm kind of sick and tired of it. So today we're going to fix it. Mr. Mac. Say hello, Mr. Mac. Say hello. Good boy. Good boy. So, car's outside. I'm just getting everything set up. Got some tools, and we're gonna jump right into it. I'm gonna have the GoPro on as well, so you guys can kind of see what I'm doing while I'm doing it. So, this is what the handle looks like. Looks pretty terrible, sticky, nasty. All right. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove our trim piece right here. This is super easy. Some of my stuff came with it. We're probably gonna unwrap this too. I'll off the car because I went back to wood. And I kinda like the wood. It's classy. Black was cool for a while though. So now we have a few Torx screws to get this off. And I wonder, I think you can just pull this front piece off, but I'm not entirely sure. Nope, just gonna fall apart. Cool. So I'll show you guys the new piece we got. It's literally, oh no, this is the wrong side. Oh no. Where's the other side? So I actually have the right piece now. I'll set it like this. It's obviously the back here. Front piece goes on here. Super easy. This other one here is for one of the rear handles back there. So I want to say these are T15s down here. So I'm gonna go get the ratchet extension and we can start pulling these off and pulling the door panel. So my Torx set has kind of been through the ringer. You can see some lost pieces, but this is what we need. This is a T15. So if you look through here, that's the right one. Roll on now, and we're gonna have to get out in here. Alright, I switched up the angle a little bit. Hopefully this will be a little bit better, but it's not directly in front of my eyes, so you're not going to see exactly what I see, but it will be close. So we want to come out? Nope. Alright. So this one now will be 3. Alright, I think that's it. I think there might be one here, so we can destroy this handle a little bit to get to it. There it is. God dang, garbage, man, garbage. Don't recommend using this as a pry tool, but in this case, it's all right. All right, so now this door doesn't have an airbag in it, which is good because that means we'll be able to just disconnect our handle, get this out, unplug this, and we'll be good. Got our flathead without damaging the door panel itself. We can kind of get behind it. See, I popped that one out already. There's the others. Boom. Just like that. All right. So now we have tweeter. It's been a while since I've had to do this. All right. All right. It's our door mechanism. I think that's how you're supposed to do that. Not sure, but from here, I think we're gonna have enough room to drill out this handle. Don't do that. Let's see if I can break it free. And I can't. So, all right. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure that's it. As far as the handle goes, I think it's just these pieces right here. Which of course they don't ever make it easy. Pry in there a little bit. Good. What's that? Oh, old stuff fall out. This light, it's so stupid. Pop out here. And boom. That goes back in. Here we have the back of our door panel. Just like that, super easy. No broken clips. You guys can get these clips. Obviously you can see that some of these clips are different. This one's different, this one. So these, that's original. These were replaced at some point along the way. So we're gonna get inside, we're gonna get the drill. We're gonna drill 1, 2, 3. Looks like we don't need 4. No, we don't actually drill that at all. We drill these 2. So we drill 1. All right, so as far as drill bits go, I picked a kind of a small one because I don't think we'll need to really go crazy on these. So start with the bottom 2. And our top 2. Oh, that is so terrible. Why use this material? It feels upscale when it's new. Man, somewhat pry this from the, yeah, so it looks like it's starting to separate. I just don't want to touch it. It's so terrible. Alright, so we're gonna keep drilling these. It's probably not a great idea to put your door on this, but I don't care. It's a race car. I just wanted to have a decent door handle. Now let's see if we can get the top out. All right, keep in mind, I did not look up how to do this before at all. So I'm totally just going by what I think works. And now I'm thinking the bottom is semi disengaged. Yeah, which it looks like it definitely is. I want to try to get a knife and kind of cut these a little bit, or just bore them out. Yeah, let's try that first. I think that'll do it. Maybe not. So I'm back on the big camera. You see right here, Just trying to get those two guys out. See, I bored them out a little bit. The top though, I've done. So that one's good, this one's out, this one's free. That's kind of nasty, but so now we just need these two. I'm just re-drilling, gonna make the hole bigger. As you can see, I just don't want to bore it out too much and damage these two. These two guys are here because we're gonna have to use that with these. That's all it is. It's 4 little screws. So, trying to damage anything. I know all this stuff is old and brittle, but do what we can. So I'm gonna keep kind of going at this, and then I'll get back when that's good. So this bottom portion, kind of gummed it up a little bit right there, but we should be able to just kind of pop this handle out now, and all should be well. This is it, moment of truth. Ooh, that's crazy. I mean, that is nasty. I'm gonna clean this up a little bit. Get some interior cleaner. Probably bring this inside, wipe it down, and install the new handle inside on a table. Then I think we'll come back here. Got 1, 2, 3, 4 connectors and the handle pull, and then we should be good. Oh, poor door. So this part's pretty straightforward. I'm just gonna clean this up, clean this spot up here. Just give this door panel a good wipe down. And then we can go flip it, install our handle, and I'll show you guys how to do that. All right, so clean this up a little bit, make it look a little bit nicer. I went to put this in right here. Super easy. It's just like this. So now we'll flip it. So we're gonna go screw. These are what our 4 screws look like. Put these down. And go here. Here. Right there. And right here. So now grab our screwdriver. You guys get the gist, tighten these down. And then I will show you how to install the front piece, which is also going to be, if I had to assume, based on this process, very easy. Make sure these are snug. You don't want to over tighten those because I would assume they strip pretty easily. Alright, front handle pull. So actually we're gonna reinstall the panel now that it's clean, because we have this hole here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we can put our final front piece on. Oh, we scratched our new handle piece already. Never mind. It's fine. What are these numbers? In. That's in. Good. And this one is somewhat tricky because you have to get it to where it will actually pull. Which That's it right there. Shit. Oops. Put the wrong piece in first. Again, T25 is not a good pry tool. I am just using it because that is what I have. Yeah. We're good there. Everything else gets plugged back in. I'm gonna make sure our guy's sticking up. And then in here. Alright, now I gotta make sure our clips are lined up. This part can be somewhat challenging sometimes. All right, now the also very easy part, I'm gonna just put all these back. Make sure they're snug, but don't over tighten these. And last one. Well, since GoPro devices are the worst recording devices ever created, we're gonna slap this back on the big cam. All right, that's how it's supposed to go. Look at that. Brand new. Can you tell it's new and everything else is old? Even if you can, that's fine. I don't care. It works. That works. This feels good. I mean, gap's not great, but I mean, no one said this was OEM. This is a, I want to say like $20 fix. Pretty sure. Maybe we do the switches or something next. I'm just gonna pop the trim back in now. That is so not right. Wow. Cool, now we clean up, that's good. All right, door handle's done. Wasn't too bad. I think it took us, what, maybe 30 minutes, maybe 35 minutes just to drill and do everything and keep it clean and semi-neat. Oh, E92's over here. Probably gonna take this thing on the last drive. Get some gas, clean it up one more time. It's a great car, man. This is a great car. Just can't keep it. I wish I could. But we have a new car coming to the channel. Which will be way cooler and way more fun than the E92. E92 is a fun car, but oh man, new car's gonna be sick. Jeez, this thing looks so neglected. That's how you do it. Door handle. Every other door handle is gonna be exactly the same. Just mirror it because it's gonna be on a different side. And then the driver door will be actually way different because there is no pull handle like that. Just this. This car's dirty. Just this. I'm pretty sure you can just kind of pull that out. We still have to fix this car. It's still kind of smoking. So in another video soon, we're probably gonna plug the head ports and do all that stuff. And low side, you can see it's all dirty. You can see all the little specks. No good. No good. Now we're probably gonna switch the exhaust up because the Dynan's cool, but it's really quiet. I feel like this car would sound really, really cool. Louder. I'm editing this video now, and I never filmed an outro. So thank you guys so much for tuning in, for watching the video. We'll see you in the next one.